Hello, my dear viewers. I'm Marion, and today I will talk about the best investment of money. So, what is it and how it will work in like 2024? The best investment is that you don't work for the money. The money works for your pleasure. Trading is a great way to invest in 2024, and today we'll talk about some points where you can invest your money, of course. Yeah, why not? And with today's session, I will first of all work from $1 as usual and use a moving average and stochastic oscillator indicator with default settings. That's what I will do just right now. Okay, you see I'm having these great pairs with big percentage of payout, so we're looking at the first pair, of course. So let's have a first profit. Yes, we are working with bearish movements overall, and let's see what we are doing in our current situation. Okay, the situation is pretty volatile, so if we look at moving average indicator, and yes, I made my decision, $1 in my investment box, and let's check the situation with put option. So guys, I'm here with my profit, and yes, it was cool profit because I saw again that the situation is forming. So like this wave is forming, as you see, and also stochastic oscillator will show me that the situation where two lines are in oversold area. Moving average to show me that the trend is under the line. So it was cool profit for me. Let's go to the next currency pair, of course. So I want to have my next profit right over here. Yes, this situation after this raising of the price is like that. So still pretty volatile, but anyway, I will not afraid of it. I think that is my chance. $1 in my investment box, and I will check the situation with put option just right now. So guys, I'm here with my $2, and again I was just going with the good signals from this combination of indicators. So you see that the trend is going down because moving average is showing us that the trend is under the signal line. And also after a lot of intersections, after some time being the corridor, two lines of stochastic oscillator finally in oversold area right now. It was also a good signal for me to make profit like right over here. If I tell you that now I'm giving you your first rewards from trading, it's $1,000, will you follow my steps? I believe that you will do. So now, please keep your attention because the source I'm sharing with you is actually a key for your reward. I'm sharing with you the real-time trading signals on my Telegram channel, so all of you can gain this $1,000 just in a few hours of trading and a few clicks. Trades which I'm sharing give up to 9% of profit, so with even $100 you can gain your $1,000 easily. Remember, who doesn't try never gets. So don't waste this opportunity. Follow my Telegram channel, link you will find in the description, and see you there. So I think it's time to go to the next currency pair. And yes, the main perspective is the income growth. A successful trader builds up capital over time and earns more. Some put together a team for this purpose. They look for traders, train them, and develop trading strategies. Other traders get access to tools for professionals, take accounts into trust management, open their own funds, or manage other people's funds. To do this, you need to become a qualified investor, or just watch my videos. Why not? Look for information about market, and of course have a lot of time practicing time. Qualified investors have access to tools that novices can't. Yes, about it, you can go to my Telegram channel, of course, where I share these kind of information. It's very nice. First of all, and secondly, I'm sharing my own free signal. That's very cool. So be free to use it and go to my Telegram channel. That's very cool. And I will meet you there. Right now we are looking at pretty volatile bullish movement. Let's see in our current situation, of course. So $2 in my investment box, and let's check the situation with put option. So guys, $4 in my account already, and I am really grateful that today we are working with good sign up from these indicators, which is very nice. Again, moving average is showing me that the trend is going down, and also after these intersections in our both real lines of stochastic oscillator right now are going back to the corridor. As you can see, it is a really good time to make your money from this situation. So let's see what I will do in the next currency pair. Now you see there are a lot of intersections in stochastic oscillator right over here. That's because we are looking at this colorful picture, not really rapid, but anyway, right now the situation is trying to change. I think it is our chance to get our profit again. $4 in my account, and let's check the situation with put option. So guys, I'm here with my another good profit. You see right now the situation is developing, but anyway, I was just in time with my 30 seconds time expiration. It was a bit risky, of course, but I wanted to show myself, and I am happy that it is worked out. So you see the duration is not really rapid, and also lines of stochastic oscillator are in the middle of corridor right now, just here. And also the trend is on the line of moving average. You need to be really attentive to this kind of signals, especially if you are a beginner. So let's see what I will do in the next currency pair, of course. And well, let's see. We are working with the raising of the price. Pretty volatile one, but anyway, it is what it is. Let's give it some time. And I will talk about cryptocurrency. The upcoming halving of the Bitcoin coin is heating up the cryptocurrency market, like crypto time, like 2022 and to 2023 was a great period to buy and accumulate like crypto assets. Bitcoin has more than doubled over the past year. So cryptocurrency like analysis claim that a new bull rally is coming. Like Bitcoin will swing past like $100,000. So the current dynamics suggest that buyers of Bitcoin and other assets can still jump on the like outgoing trend before prices finally take off. So. And yes, I think it's our time to make our investments. Let's see, it's $7 in my investment box, and I will go check the situation with call option. $13 in my account, that means I'm in a profit. And yes, just going with the trend, it is a pretty clear situation for me. And yes, investors can purchase coin mining equipment. I won't add it, actually, so it has become significantly cheaper and will become more expensive in proportion to Bitcoin capitalization. So let's see what I will have in another currency pair. So, okay, we see there are some points, some pluses about this investment. Okay. So first of all, it is high profitability in minimum entry like threshold, and also coins can be mined independently. And the third, another bull rally is coming. So please remember this is my mention because after some time we will use it. So we are here with bearish movement, and let's see, it is pretty volatile. Anyway, I want to try myself right over here. So $30 in my account. So let's check the situation with the call option. So, $25 in my account, and I'm in a profit. You see, the signals were pretty clear for me. So first of all, if we are looking at the whole picture, we see that the wave is developing right over here. And also, if we look at stochastic oscillator lines, we see here the green line is crossed the level of 70. So the red one is also going up. I think they will be in our border area for some time. Let's see what I will do in the next currency pair, of course. So I remember the situation, pretty volatile bearish movement, and new investment, I think $25 in my investment box. And let's check the situation with put option. So guys, I'm here with almost $50. You see, just going with the trend first of all. And the second I see that signals from moving average are telling me that the price is going down. And also, if you look at stochastic oscillator, we see that the lines in oversold area right now. Anyway, let's see what I will do in the next currency pair. Another point where you can invest it is the options or futures. For those who are ready to try their handed short-term trading and resale, there are some derivative financial instrument options and futures. This is a contract between parties that provides an opportunity to buy a commodity, currency, or security at a certain point in time at a certain price. You see, Quotex can offer us these kind of situations. Let's take a look. And we see these currencies, crypto, commodities, and stocks, just here. Of course, I'm working with currencies today because for me it's more profitable, more easier, and of course there is a lot of chance where you can gain your money. So I see my good entry points, and let's have a look with the all-in and put option. So guys, I'm here with $90. That's very cool. Yes, the situation is going down a little bit, but because if we zoom out a little bit, we will see that the situation is pretty wavy. Yes, and it's going a little down. That's because I can't say I'm going with the trend. First of all, and you see that, yes, if we look at stochastic oscillator, they will be on intersection between the green line and the signal line, and they are chilling with the level of 30 right over here, as you can see. So I think it's time to go to the next currency pair, and we will give it some time to this pair, like American dollar, Brazilian real. Wow, right now we are in the New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar, and I will change my investment box with a $91 and take a look with call option. So, I'm in a profit again. That's cool. So guys, you see, I'm really grateful for my first $100, even more, 100.5. And yes, you see that overall situation is going down. But anyway, if we look closely, we have here with these short candlesticks right now, and also the sign from stochastic oscillator was pretty obvious for me, because when the trade was started, there was an intersection right over here. So I think the green line will go up a little bit for some minutes, and it was enough for me to go with my excellent move. That's because I'm having this profit. I'm really grateful about it. So it is another example where you need to be really attentive, like to all signals, and not just like go blindly with up and down buttons. So let's see, let's have a look in our current situation. So yes, I see, let's check my predictions. $164. So let's take a look with call option. So guys, I'm here with another good profit. You see, I'm working with like right now with not rapid rising of the price, because if we zoom out a little bit, the situation will be pretty volatile. And yes, you see stochastic oscillator is showing me that the lines in the oversold area, but there is an intersection between them, and the green line is about the red line right over here. That's because we are seeing this picture in the last 4 candlesticks. Let's give it some time. I think it will be more interesting after some minutes and go to another currency pair. And unfortunately, it is not working anymore. That's because we will delete it, and we are in American dollar and Japanese yen. So you can ask why investing can provide you with another source of income, fund your retirement, or even get you out of a national debt. Above all, investing grows your wealth, helping you meet your financial goals and increasing your purchasing power over time. Or maybe you have like recently sold your home maybe, or come into some money. It's a wise decision to let that money work for you. And this session, it is like kind of proof that it's working and you need to try it. Okay, like have some experience and then you will achieve your aim. I'm going to my investment box. It's $290, $2 for my luck. And let's check the situation with put option. Okay, so I'm here with $500, even more. It was a bit risky because you see in the last few seconds the situation went up. And if we look closely, yes, but thanks to my stochastic oscillator with default settings, I want to highlight it. Because after this intersection, you see the green line went down. And right now it is like I want to touch the level of 70. So we'll hope that it will be another wave. Yes, so big wave, and the situation will go down for some time. So let's see what I will do in the next currency pair, of course. So let's see. Okay, so the situation is still the same. It didn't change much from our last visit. That's because I want to try myself here. Okay, like $550, and let's go with put option. So it's my first like $1,000, you see. Wow, I'm here with the downfall of the price first of all, and yes, I'm moving average, showing me that the trend is on the signal line. And the stochastic oscillator still is showing that the situation is in overbought area. And yes, what can I say? Let's see what I will do in the next currency pair. So what about value stock funds? These funds invest in value stock, those that more efficient price in other market, and when stocks run up in valuation, as they do from time to time, many investors wonder where they can put their investment dollars. So value stock funds may be a good option. They are good for investors who are uncomfortable with the volatility associated with investing in stocks. Investors in stock funds need to have a longer time investing horizon to at least like free to find, like, to rent out any bumps in the market. So today, you see I'm here with 30 seconds time expiration to a minute for candlestick, because I want to show you different types and examples of how you can get your money for a few minutes. So yeah, okay, so let's see. I'm going to change my investment, of course, to like $1,000, and let's go and check the situation with put option. So guys, $2,000 in my account. It's like, wow, can you see it? And yes, I think I will end the session in this moment. And if you want to know more information about investment in 2044, you can go to my Telegram channel, where I will share detailed information about it, like different links, articles and sources, and also I will share my own free signals. I hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet you in another video. Bye!